A big secret that's kept by most successful cake makers is not having the best recipe. It's not having the most followers. It's not having the most press and attention. It's not even having the prettiest and most perfect cakes or the highest price. The biggest secret in being successful in your cake business is having returning customers. This is vital to the success of your business. I'm sure most of us have experienced how difficult it can be to get customers when we're first starting out. But many bakers, even those who are years in the game, are still experiencing this same struggle every single week. One of the main focuses in your business is to create an experience and deliver a product that make your current customers want to return. This is because it can be more expensive to constantly be trying to find new customers than to just retain and maintain the ones that you already have. Let's think about what it takes to get a customer from not even knowing that you exist to becoming an actual paying customer. We all know that this can be a long journey. First, you have to figure out how to make yourself known. This can be done through mediums like social media, ranking on Google search, going to markets and events, and word of mouth. And that takes a lot of work. But just having people find you isn't actually going to make the sale. Your pages and setup need to be clear and have value for the potential customer to want to stick around and follow you. And then after that, you have to be able to build up the confidence and trust that you are able to provide what they need. Then you got to get them to click on your link and believe that what you are providing is worth the price that you're selling it for. And there's so many other little steps that fall in between. But if you have to go through this process for every single customer that you get, you can easily get burned out. But you don't always have to go through this long, tedious process to get new eyes into your funnel because your old ones are already there. They've already crossed the barrier of entry and trusting you to provide them services. Now you just have to keep them interested in wanting to return. These repeat customers will be the ones that keep you booked. Not only with their personal orders, but also orders that will come from word of mouth. And yeah, even with social media and technology booming, word of mouth is still one of the main ways to get customers into your business. And it takes a whole lot less work. Here's some ideas on ways that you can retain customers. First, provide a great product and experience. Does it taste good? Does it look good? Was it easy to order? Did they have a great pickup or delivery experience? How do you handle any potential mistakes or issues that may arise? Do you have good communication? If you lack in those areas, it can stop you from getting those customers to return and become repeat clients, no matter what you do after. Encourage customers to return by providing them with some form of a business card or QR code that they can scan that will direct them back to your pages. If you're able to factor it in, maybe consider offering them a discount or something special with their next order. Get them to follow and interact with you on social media, collect their emails, and be sure to run email campaigns. Remember birthdays and anniversaries and use that to retarget your customers the following year. Do they have multiple kids? Remind them that you would love to make all of the cakes for all of their kids' birthdays. Plus maybe a little something special for the parents. You also must consider your pricing in regards to who you are serving. If your prices are really high, they may only be able to afford to come to you one time out of the year, and they may not be able to invest that same amount of money the following years and potentially end up going with another baker that's more in line with their budget. But if you're able to adjust your prices a bit, then they might be able to book with you multiple times throughout the year for multiple occasions for years to come, creating what? A repeat customer. These are just a few of the ideas that I have, but you can get creative with it to find ways that work for you, your business, and your customers to keep them coming back for more. This is much easier and less time consuming than searching for new customers each month. Don't neglect the people that you already have. And before I go, here's a little bit of hard truth for you, especially if you're thinking, man, I just need more followers on my pages. The truth is, if you are unable to sell to the few people that are already on your page, then having more people on your page is not going to change that. The reason is because the issue lies not within the customers, the issue lies with you and your marketing or your processes where something is disconnecting those customers from getting to the point of making a sale. But we'll talk about about this more in another video, so be sure that you subscribe and stay tuned. I really hope that this video has been helpful to you and you can go and implement some strategies to start retaining the customers that you already have. Be sure to like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.